Hello everyone, this is Jody, and today I'm going to be planning for the week of August 20th through the 26th. And I'm going to be using stickers from this sticker book here, and it's a Maggie Holmes one. And the washes that I'm going to be using are these here. Thought they were really pretty. It says bloom, grow, enjoy the little things. So I started with this washi down the sides here. And I'm just going to continue with my washi first. I'm going to use this one in the two middle rows. Hope you guys are having a great day. The weather is cooler today. It's so nice out. It's only in the 70s, so it's starting to feel like fall already. Feels really nice. Okay. Oops. All right. And then at the bottom, I'm going to use this one. Oops. And it says bloom, grow, love. So I'm going to add that at the bottom. Make sure I'm in frame. I'll bring it right up to this washi here. Whoops. There we go. Sorry if you can hear some hammering outside. They're working on my neighbor's house. And it's kind of loud for me. I don't know if it is for you or not. I'll have to slide that one over. So let's bring it over to here. And twist it. Bring it to here. All right. This is with the Plan With Me design group, so I'll have a link to all the others in the description below. So check out their videos, they would truly appreciate it. I'm gonna use this one with the leaves, it's green, whoops. Just a light green. See if I can find the end now. Well, right there. There we go. And bring that up here. You can see the peach below it a little bit, but that's okay. I've been using this washi quite a bit lately. I like it. I think I'm going to double it up just so that the color pops a little better. There we go. Do the same on the other side. Okay. And I already took some of the stickers out that I'm going to use. I think it takes up less time for me to be digging through the book constantly. So that's the reason I did that. Oh, I didn't put that in. I'm sure you noticed. I do that if somebody forgets to cut something or tear something. I notice, and it's like, nope, it's right there. So let's see, what do I want to do? I have this one as well, and it says, enjoy the little things in life, I believe. And I think I'm going to do that right below the green. But I want to get the full enjoy. Let's see, maybe I will leave it with the dovetail end. Maybe that'll just look a little different. I can get it to unroll. Okay. I'm going to turn it upside down. I think that'll be easier. And I'll do the same on the other side. I'll dovetail the end again, so let's see. Turn this one upside down. And I'll do it this way. And then I do like to have some washi going down this edge here, but since I did that there, let's see, maybe I'll just do that green one going down from the note section, and then I will cover up that notes since it is that peach color. And then I'll cover the notes with, let's see, I think the floral. Oh, that's a little crooked. There we go, much better. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna just start by placing down some of my stickers. Make sure I'm still in frame. Hopefully I was in frame. So I have this one, this floral one. And I'm going to add this here on this side. Okay, and I have this one with the yellow. It's a little bit different yellow, but it's very close. So I'm gonna put this down here. And then, let's see, I picked out this black one with the floral. This black and white, or black and kind of grayish. And I'll put that one here. Let's look for a couple more of those. I just love these stickers, they're so pretty. All right. I think I'll use this smaller box. Oh, it says, I guess it's not, it's a regular size. So let's see, I think I'm gonna use that one over here. It says Happy Day. Right on that edge, it's a little crooked, but I'm gonna leave it. Let's see, this one says From the Heart. So I will put this one up here. Right on that edge. There we go. There's a couple more, so let's see. I do need 2 more, so no, I don't think I want that one. Maybe I'm just gonna use those ones of those, and then I'm gonna add some decor stickers in some boxes, quarter boxes, just whatever I want around. Got this cute bunny, you can jump over that. I've got this flag. There's a butterfly on it with some gold foiling. Really cute. This one says Lovely, so I'm going to add that. Maybe I'll add that here with this little bow below it. Nope, let's see. Nope, I'll put it on the box. My washi keeps attaching to my arm, the little pieces, so I'm gonna move that aside. Let's see, and then I've got this one here. I'm gonna add this at the top. And then I'm gonna add a heart next to it. This one says This Day, very cute. So let's see. Maybe I'll add that on the washi over here. Got the swan, really pretty, gold foiled swan. And let's see, maybe I'll add this here. Nope. How about right here? I've got this Today. So I'm gonna add that here. Nope, I'm gonna add it up here instead. Oops. Do it kind of at an angle. Got this bird, really cute. I actually tore his head off when I did it, so I had to repair him, poor thing. Got like this diamond with the gold foiling. Want to do that there? Yep, we'll do that there. Got another flag, so I'll put one on this side. Put that here. And I've got another heart. So I'll put the heart by this day, but I don't want it to cover up that flag there, so right there. Then I'm going to dig through my book a little bit more, try to find a few more stickers. So I'll show you what they look like. We'll do a butterfly, so let's see, which one do I want to do? How about this one here? I'm just going to take them out and put them off to the side. I'll do one of these bows here, really pretty. Just an outline of a bow. I picked this sticker book up at AC Moore. They were having a sale. They were $10, so I picked up quite a few of them. I like the little deer, so maybe I'll grab a little deer. I'll grab the pink one. I will grab one of these. It says, "Let us lay in the sun and count every beautiful thing we can see." I'll do another little flag, so let's see. I will do this one. I'll do one of the rose gold, the foiled flowers. So let's see, let me put those down and we'll see if I want to do any more. So I'm going to add this down here, that's saying. Another flag. I'm going to add this one over here in the corner. Add it on this side this time. Is it crooked? No. Yep, it is crooked. Try it again. All right. And I've got the little deer, really cute. I love this one. Do I want to do, maybe I'll do a piece of washi. So let's see. I'll do one of the floral ones just to add some more decor. I've said in the past I love using my washi as part of my decor. So I will put this here. And then I will add a big butterfly. Got the flowers here, so let's see. The little deer, I think I'm just gonna have it sitting somewhere. Maybe down here. We've got the flowers and the bow. So let's see. The bow there. I'll put the flowers in this corner. So I've got 1, 2, 3 more areas that needs a sticker. Let's look again. I'm gonna grab one of these boxes. I'll add that here. I'll add it down here. I like the flowers. I'll add one of these. There. I think I kind of missed the color of the pink. It's kind of bright, but and the green, I guess, too, is what it looks like to me. But I won't use, obviously, like this green. It just obviously does not match. So let's see. Need a couple more things. I will put remember. Put that here. of straight. Okay. Oh, I wanted to use the banner, but I won't do that. I will put this little bird hanging, oops, hanging, let's see, I think I'm gonna put him right here. It's really cute. I've got that space, but I think, let's see, do I wanna even put anything there? I don't think I'm going to because I need more room for writing, so I think that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in my planner and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put it back in my planner and I'm going to mark down some things that are going on for the week. I have a hair appointment on Tuesday. I'm not too sure of the time, so I do know actually 7:15. It's at night. Meds. Brows done. Laundry, I'm gonna do laundry. Let's see. Over here with, make sure I'm in frame. Going for breakfast on Wednesday. Church. Pick up meds. Okay, let's see if there's anything else I can think of right now. I think that's going to be it for what I'm going to add in right now. I'm definitely going to obviously add in anything else that I've got going on for the week when I remember what it is or when things come up. So that is my layout for August 20th through the 26th. And make sure you go ahead and check out the link below for the other members of the Plan With Me Design group. And if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. But if you'd like to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button below and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day, everyone.